Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to show you an update on my plants in February 2026. Has been 1 month so quickly, and now I have to show a few plants are in bloom and a few plants grow new leaves, and but in this video first I will show you this one, this cactus. It is in bloom since today, and starting with this. Then we'll see another plants. Let's start. Well, as you can see how beautiful is this cactus. It is cactus tail, and the first bloom ever. And today opening the flower, so amazing. And and another flower will open soon, but I have to make a special video and I will upload later. So beautiful, just so happy for it. Right now, even it's in winter time, started to grow new leaves here and everywhere. This cactus, and it is beautiful. Next to it is a Washingtonia robusta palm tree that I grew from seed. It was grow not very much, but a little bit. Anyway, it growing very beautiful in summertime, and we wait for that. Beautiful. And next to it is, let me show you first. This is more beautiful. This Washingtonia robusta. And here a new leaf I noticed. And this is the old one, and I love this kind of. So beautiful, He got more light than this one, and you can see was grow more vigorously, beautiful. Next to it is a bamboo, Moso bamboo that I grew from seed. Now have some yellow leaves, but it's okay. I take care very well, and everything is under control. So if there's spider mites, I spray every week with neem oil and hope that helps. I can see it helps. Also, this golden bamboo was attacked too, as you can see by these leaves. And I spray too every week. And seems like to be helpful, but we'll see anyway. Now let me show you the coffee tree, Arabica, that have coffee beans. I have 3 here, as you can see how beautiful, and another 2 here. Beautiful was grow in this time of year. Outside is very rainy, and that's it. Weather is not very. But on the leaves lush looking this coffee tree and have new grow here, which is amazing. And here as well, as you can see the color of the leaves, how beautiful and how big leaf is this. I will let it to grow like a stem, another stem it will be, and it will be like old coffee tree will got younger. I will make it young, and that will be beautiful. So here is another coffee tree that I grew from seed, and from this one from coffee beans, and such size it is right now. Beautiful. But next to it is my lemon tree. It is beautiful too, it is healthy, and here have a surprise. Another flower, as you can see, will open in a few days and will be, And this small lemon, here lemon fruit, very small yet, will grow in a few months. We'll see more big. It is need to more light. Beautiful this lemon tree. This branch I love how it grow, but not sure this year or maybe next year will bloom from this branch, and we will see. Here I have Monstera deliciosa looking lush on the leaves, but not any grow. since 1 month and more even, and we'll see anyway. In March we'll see. Here I have a banana plant that is huge. This is Musa Helen's hybrid, you know that variety already. So just have already 4 leaves on it indoor, and no any grow since last update I guess, or maybe 1 leaf was grow. Like this one is quite big as you can see, and then March should grow another. But here another Musa Helen's hybrid, as you can see. It's small one and need to be plant in the soil to grow more thick, and I will do that in springtime. And here another banana tree. I don't know this variety, what is it, but it is from a friend, and now started to grow a new leaf, which is beautiful, and we'll see how big it will be in a week, or we'll see, just not growing so fast like in summertime. And here I have orchid in bloom, beautiful. This I have since 2016, and every year growing new spikes, amazing. As you can see, it is very old, and another orchids that I have, and all have spikes right now. As you can see, this one and this one and that one, you can see it is blooming pink color. This one, you will see, I will make update video when they will bloom. And another dwarf variety of banana plant that I have here from a friend as well, and new grow, as you can see, new leaf. It had some yellow leaves and I had to cut them. Here I have some pineapples. As you can see on this one, the leaves started to grow more long, but don't know when it will bloom. I can make it bloom, like put some apples and make greenhouse effect, and we'll make some gas, and that stimulates blooming on pineapple, but we'll see. I have another one here. It started to root because it was outside in autumn, and it was many rains, and I should add it here indoor, but I let it outside, and yeah. But here I have another one, a small one, this one. We'll see how it will grow next. Kind of slow growing anyway. Some Christmas cactus from Lynn, from seed I grow this one, beauties. And also Musa velutina banana tree was attacked by spider mites. As you can see how it looks on the leaves, but I take control, and new leaf growing, that is good. And here is some date palm that I grew from seed. It growing more right now. Well, here are sequoia, beautiful, but in summertime I'll have to grow it outside, we'll see. And palm trees with red stems which germinated, they grow very slow, but I have to wait anyway. Now let's see a surprise here. It is Mimosa pudica, and making seed pod here ready for the first time. And I will have seeds, so nice. But the plant have a few leaves only because fall all of them because of spider mites, but I sprayed, I cannot see them. Anyway, have to take control and take care. Also, papaya don't look very happy. Anyway, as you can see, this leaf, I don't know what happened to this, but soon will dry. Anyway, should grow new leaves, but I hope will resist until April and we'll move it outside, you know. And the silver dollar eucalyptus forgot to water at the time and lost, but started to grow again, which is nice. I have to take water at the time next time. Epiphyllum that I grow from seed, from lince seeds. It was grow more. I think this pot is kind of small. Already have to repot. But we'll see when it bloom. Looking good, but you know. What kind of leaves was grow here? Anyway. Or maybe it doesn't have so much light. Anyway. Oxalis plant, after I repotted, you know, I make video then, and it's like new home, looking more beautiful as you can see, so nice. Let's see update. Jade tree, beautiful large leaves, but during 1 month was grow these ones as you can see, and maybe this a little bit. But unless the plant is in dormancy and not growing really fast. Anyway, this is sago palm that I grew from seed, looking nice. Not any grow yet, but maybe next month will appear something from there. We'll see. An avocado tree started to grow new leaves, as you can see here. It's sitting on the windowsill and growing, have light and beautiful. I don't know this variety of aloe, but a little bit was grow. This one I reported to in a special video, and this pot you can remember. Anyway, so this plant, which is Anthurium, looking better now, as you can see the new leaves, looking good. A few leaves of new leaves, and I have discovered that a palm germinated into this pot, and have to separate, divide in another pot, and we'll see. 2 pomegranate trees I have there growing indoor, like small, dark, you know, I grow like I like to be big stems, and I will see how they will grow in my care. And this plant looking beautiful too. Forgot the name in English. Anyway, maybe I will have to do a video when I will have to do repotting, but we'll see. I almost killed my mango tree, but I cut from the stem and don't throw away. Now, as you can see, the buds of mango will grow here, but have to wait a little bit. Don't know what happened, but seems like I didn't water at the time. Anyway, now waiting for new update on this mango tree. Now let me show you update on my tangerine tree that I have here in another room. And as you can see how much was grow. But last year I cut, you know, all the branches and let another to grow, and looks more beautiful right now. It's like more young, that's it. So looks on the leaves. All the branches are fresh, are young, as you can see. But look on the stem, how big is the stem, because since 28 I grow it, and it's beautiful. Now, amazing. Now let me show you this lemon tree. It is from 2012. Looks beautiful. Also I cut from the stem and grow back these 2 branches, and they are tall like me. Nice, as you can see. I tried to graft and I didn't succeed, and after that was grow these branches. And here started to grow new leaves from the top, as well from here too. Looks beautiful. Now let me show you the banana trees. This is Musa Orinoco. I grow them in summertime in the direct sunny and in the garden. Now so looks like the leaves. lush. And yeah, in springtime in May I will have to plant in the garden too. We'll see. And another of this variety, another one I have here. That's beautiful too, but in winter time they are like in stress a little bit. Anyway, and now let me show you the dwarf variety banana trees. Here, this one. In winter time, in such conditions, they don't grow big leaves, only this small. They don't have so much light on one, and that's it anyway. And the second one, it is more big, but that problem as well, as you can see. In summertime growing like large leaves, normal leaves, but in winter time I don't like these leaves anyway. Also here another 3 banana plants I have there, the same problem anyway. Here I have a mango plant which I had to repot and made video, and now started to grow new leaves, which is amazing. I will make short video update, we'll see. On the windowsill here I have cherry moa tree. Looks beautiful. Leaves are not a lot because it's winter and some leaves fall. Anyway, we'll regenerate and we'll see. I have to add more soil here. And yeah, another small banana plant. Have to plant in the garden, not to lose anyway. And a hibiscus plant on the windowsill I grow. No any bloom yet, but we'll see when. As well I have here 2 baby pineapples that grow on the windowsill, and they're looking healthy anyway. Hope you enjoyed the new video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. Greetings from Moldova. I will catch you next time. Subscribe, like and share, and to have healthy plants. Bye bye.